Hello students, today we are going to study float test, specific gravity test, softening point test and flash and fire point test of aggregate. Now we will start with the float test. Normally the consistency of bituminous material can be measured either by penetration test or viscosity test. But for certain range of consistencies, these tests are not applicable and float test is used. The apparatus consists of an aluminium float and a brass collar filled with bitumen to be tested. The specimen in the molds is cooled to a temperature of 5 degrees Celsius and screwed it to the float. The total test assembly is floated in the water bath at 50 degrees Celsius and the time required for water to pass its way through the specimen plug is noted in seconds and is expressed as the float value. Now the next test is the specific gravity test. In paving jobs, to classify a binder, density property is of great use. In most cases, bitumen is weighed, but when used with aggregate, the bitumen is converted to volume using density values. The density of bitumen is greatly influenced by its chemical composition. Increase in aromatic type mineral impurities cause an increase in specific gravity. The specific gravity of bitumen is defined as the ratio of mass of given volume of bitumen of known content to the mass of equal volume of water at 27 degrees Celsius. The specific gravity can be measured using either pycnometer or preparing a cube specimen of bitumen in semi-solid or solid state. The specific gravity of bitumen varies from 0.97 to 1.02. Now the next test is the softening point test. Softening point denotes the temperature at which the bitumen attains a particular degree of softening under the specification of test. The test is conducted by using ring and ball apparatus. A brass ring containing test sample of bitumen is suspended in liquid like water or glycerin at a given temperature. A steel ball is placed upon the bitumen sample and the liquid medium is heated at a rate of 5 degrees Celsius per minute. Temperature is noted when the softened bitumen touches the metal plate which is at a specified distance below. Generally, higher softening points indicates lower temperature susceptibility and is preferred in hot climates. Figure shows softening point test setup just like this. The next test is the flash and fire point test. At high temperatures, depending upon the grades of bitumen, materials leave out volatiles, and these volatile catches fire, which is very hazardous, and therefore it is essential to qualify this temperature for each bitumen grade. Bureau of Indian Standard defined the flash point as the temperature at which the vapor of bitumen momentarily catches fire in the form of flash under specified test conditions. The fire point is defined as the lowest temperature under specified test condition at which the bituminous material gets ignited and burns. That is all about the float test, specific gravity test, softening point test and flash and fire point test. Thank you students.